In 2010, Only Boys Aloud launched with a mission to inspire boys in Wales to sing. The choir won a nation's heart
I have got a very, very good feeling about you lot.
and found fans the world over.
It's the wonderful Only Boys Aloud.
But today, the choir's future is uncertain. And for the first time ever, Only Boys Aloud is asking for public donations.
Since it launched, Only Boys Aloud has transformed thousands of lives.
Well, we've just performed on BBC Breakfast.
Performing in the Coronation Gala with the Queen.
Even launching the careers of some well-known performers.
The opportunities you will get out of being in Only Boys Aloud is just absolutely incredible.
I don't think people understand that Only Boys Aloud is a charity.
It's free to join and open to all.
Since joining the choir, my life is richer. There's just no better feeling than standing on stage, surrounded by your mates, performing to thousands of people.
Only Boys Aloud is so much more than a choir. And it gave us a purpose, it gave us a sense of achievement. I had experiences that changed my life. I hope and wish that everyone who's going through Only Boys Aloud now has the same opportunities as I did. So we need your help.